Turn on the instrument and enter the main interface. Click the interface to enter the selection screen. Please select male or female. Select OK and click to enter. This is the selection of treatment sites. This is a facial handle treatment. This is the body handling selection. We choose the body for the abdomen. Choose male, single machine confirmation entry. This is energy regulation, default is 20, normal selection of 160J, start operation. The maximum energy is to 50J. This is time adjustment, default time is 30 minutes. The normal operating time is 30-45 minutes. Click here to return to the main interface. This is the facial treatment handle. Click to select, click to enter. This is energy regulation, default 20, normal selection, 160J to start operation. The maximum energy is to 50J. This is time adjustment, default time is 30 minutes. The normal operating time is 30-45 minutes. This is the start or pause button. This is for adjusting the cooling intensity. Adjustable to a minimum of 3 degrees. Up to 25 degrees. Normal selection of 6 degrees for operation. Adjust the appropriate parameters. Can start operating. This is the start or pause adjustment. Controller display. Body handling. Facial controller. Before operation, measuring waist circumference for customers. Apply essential oil or cream products to the abdomen. Start operating by pressing the handle switch. Color change of handle light. Prove that there is energy beginning to output. The operation technique is from both sides. Slide towards the abdomen. You can use techniques. Simultaneously assisting operations. Slowly slide the operation. Circling operation in the middle of the abdomen. Avoid the navel. Perform circular exercises on the lower abdomen. Time on both sides can be set for 10 to 20 minutes respectively. Circle in the middle of the abdomen. About 5 minutes is enough. Operation completed. Wipe the customer's body. You can use a face towel. Wipe cleaning with physiological saline solution. Measure the customer's waist circumference size. Finally wipes the handle. Physiological saline can be used. Avoid residual essential oils. Damage instrument. Facial joystick operation method. Take comparative photos. Left and right front faces. Save 3 records. Applied facial products. Pull operation from bottom to top. Slow down a bit. Don't be too fast. 3 line lifting method. The time is 20-30 minutes. Energy 120. Adjust according to customer feedback. Cleaning after operation. The customer's face is sufficient.